heard a voice carried on the wind, asking where its life could have been. No footsteps left upon the sand, no chance to touch this beautiful land. A story unwritten, a page left blank, a little soul we never thanked, lost in the worries, fear and strife, never given the gift of life. Oh Jah, hear the cry of the unborn child, lost in a world that's growing wild. Tiny hands reaching for the morning light, gone before they could see the sunrise bright. Oh Jah, have mercy on every soul, broken hearts carrying a heavy load. The pain runs deep, the tears still flow. Only Jah truly know. Mama was hurting, pressure all around, family turn away, no solid ground, fear in the darkness, nowhere to run, no another heartbeat gone before begun. Some were not wanted, some came by surprise, dreams disappeared before opening eyes. Circumstance heavy like a mountain stone, leaving many mothers to carry grief alone. Oh Jah, hear the cry of the unborn child, lost in a world that's growing wild. Tiny hands reaching for the morning light, gone before they could see the sunrise bright. Oh Jah, have mercy on every soul, broken hearts carrying a heavy load. The pain runs deep, the tears still flow. Only Jah truly know. We need more love where the fear has grown, more helping hands so no one's alone, more understanding, more hope to find for every mother carrying burdens in her mind. No joy in the sorrow, no victory song, many still wondering what went wrong. A silent room and a memory remains, an invisible child, an invisible pain. Oh Jah, hear the cry of the unborn child, lost in a world that's growing wild. Tiny hands reaching for the morning light, gone before they could see the sunrise bright.